Civil responsibility of a mentally ill person. Ad notam magnotus rule. Responsibility in legal sense means a liability of a person for his act or omission, and if these are against the law, liability to be punished for them. A sane person can carry out his routine responsibility with the case, but in reference to insane people, they are unable to understand the nature and consequences of their act and thus are not responsible for their action. Civil responsibility of insane. Please cancel World Trade Center meeting. That is property management, contract, business, witness, testamentary capacity, consent, marriage. Civil responsibility of insane, management of property. On medical examination, if a person found to be insane and insanity of such a degree as to make him incapable of managing his property and affairs, then court appoints a manager to look after property. Court appointed manager prepares inventory of property in 6 months of such appointment and also prepares annual account of property. He does whatever is best for management of the property of insane with the knowledge and permission of court and its guidance. Manager is at his salary from property or income of insane. Business contract. A contract is null and void invalid if either of the party in contract was incapable of understanding what he was doing due to insanity. However, contract may be deemed valid if other party proves that it was unaware of insanity of other party and contract entered into is a fair contract. If one of party develops insanity after entering into contract remains valid unless performance of service becomes impossible. Contract entered during used interval. Insanity of a partner does not resolve partnership until steps are taken for its dissolution. Marriage contract. A marriage is termed null and void, invalid if at the time of marriage, if either of spouse is suffering from incurable mental illness, mental disease which cannot be cured even after continuous treatment for a period of less than 3 years. Insanity is ground for divorce if incurable mental illness develops after marriage. Competency as a witness. An insane is not competent to give evidence if he is incapable of understanding questions put to him and giving rational answers to them. Section 18 Indian Evidence Act. However, insane can be a competent witness during used interval. Okay, then consent given by an insane stand invalid if it is proved that he is unable to understand the nature, quality and consequences of act for which he is consenting. Section 19 IPC. Guardianship and adoption. An insane cannot adopt a minor or act as a legal guardian of a minor. Testamentary capacity. A will made by an insane who is unable to understand the nature and consequences of his action is invalid. A will made by insane is valid if illness does not affect his capacity of disposal of property or if it is made during lucid interval. Thank you.